To change your Robinhood account to a cash account, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, it is essential to understand what a cash account is and how it differs from other types of accounts. A cash account is a type of brokerage account that requires you to pay for securities in full at the time of purchase, meaning you cannot trade on margin. To begin, log into your Robinhood account using the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, which can usually be found by tapping or clicking on your profile icon. In the Account Settings section, look for the option to change your account type. Select the option to change your account type and choose Cash Account from the available options. You may be asked to confirm that you want to change your account type and acknowledge the differences between a cash account and other types of accounts. Before your account can be converted to a cash account, you will need to close any open positions and settle any outstanding balances. This means that you will need to sell any securities you own and wait for the trades to settle. You may also need to pay off any margin loans or other debts associated with your account. Once you have closed all of your positions and settled any outstanding balances, your account will be converted to a cash account. You will receive a confirmation message from Robinhood once the conversion is complete. It is essential to note that changing your account type to a cash account may affect your ability to trade certain securities or use certain features of the Robinhood platform. For example, you may not be able to trade on margin or use certain types of orders. To avoid any issues, it is recommended that you review the terms and conditions of your account and understand the differences between a cash account and other types of accounts before making the change. You should also make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of any securities you want to purchase. In conclusion, changing your Robinhood account to a cash account is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined above and understanding the differences between a cash account and other types of accounts, you can ensure a smooth transition and avoid any potential issues.